Oakley Car Audio. Just finished doing this BMW 640D. We've done a full system replacement on this car, from having the factory BMW Harman Kardon system to a full system of our own. So we've replaced all 14 original speakers. We've added 2 additional subwoofers, so it's now a 16 speaker system, and we've also replaced the Harman Kardon amplifier and added 2 Audison SR 5600s, the Bit1 HD amplifier processor, the DRC, and like I said, 2 subwoofers. So in the front we've got front doors replaced, centre dash replaced, door on the passenger side replaced, the rear doors have been replaced, the rear shelf speakers have been replaced, and 2 under seat woofers. We've also added the DRC underneath the original light switch, so it's just in this nice little mount here. So we've got full control of the system. It's got a nice good balance of sound going on there. The system's been fully time aligned to the driver's side. There's also multiple DSP profiles in there that have been programmed in as well. You can say it's not been the easiest car that we've ever had to tune, but it's been a worthwhile car to do. So if you're interested in having your car done, get in touch.